Welcome to this tutorial on creating LFE, low-frequency effects, in Audacity. In this video, I'll show you one way to add LFE to your audio tracks using Audacity's built-in equalization effect. Step 1. Import your audio track into Audacity. To do this, simply drag and drop your audio file into the Audacity workspace. Step 2. Select the section of the audio track that you want to apply the LFE effect to. You can do this by clicking and dragging the cursor over the desired area. Step 3. Go to the Effect menu, then select Equalization. This will bring up the equalization window. Step 4. In the equalization window, click on the Bass Boost preset. This preset is specifically designed to add more bass to your audio track. Step 5. In the Bass Boost preset, adjust the center frequency slider to a lower value, such as 30 Hz. This will emphasize the lower frequencies in your audio track. Step 6. Adjust the Q slider to a higher value, such as 2.0, to narrow the frequency range affected by the bass boost. This will make the LFE effect more precise. Step 7. Adjust the gain slider to a desired level. This will determine how much the LFE effect is emphasized. Step 8. Click on the Preview button to preview the LFE effect. This will allow you to hear how the LFE effect will sound before applying it to your audio track. Step 9. If you're happy with the LFE effect, click on the OK button to apply it to the audio track. Step 10. You can also adjust the overall level of the LFE effect by using the Amplify effect in Audacity. This will allow you to increase or decrease the overall volume of the LFE effect as needed. And that's it. You've now added LFE to your audio track using Audacity's equalization effect. Remember that the effectiveness of this technique will depend on the characteristics of the audio track you're working with. So you may need to experiment with different settings to achieve the desired effect. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.